Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen your kitchen knife. How often do you sharpen your knife? I usually sharpen my knife once a week or 2 weeks, depending on how often I cook. This is my whetstone. I've been using it for over 10 years. It's a medium grit stone with 1000 grit, recommended by a knife shop as a good all-around option. I'm a home cook, so I don't need my knife to be razor sharp like a sushi chef's, but I just want it to be sharp enough to use comfortably every day. Before sharpening, soak the whetstone in water for about 30 minutes. Place your knife on the whetstone. I'm right-handed, so I start with the right hand side of the blade facing down, placing the knife diagonally at the 4 o'clock position on the whetstone. To get the right angle, imagine there is a coin between the blade and the stone. That's about 15 degrees. Place 2 fingers on the blade to help maintain the angle and gently move the knife back and forth from tip to heel. You don't need to apply too much pressure. Let your body weight do the work and keep your movement smooth. Add a little water as you go to help the sharpening process. Once you feel a bar, like a tiny ridge curling the other side, along the edge from tip to heel, flip the knife and repeat on the other side. After that, even out the edge with a few strokes and your knife should be ready to go. To check the sharpness, we use our thumbnail. Gently place the blade on your thumbnail. If it catches and stays, it's good to go. This is a traditional way to test the sharpness in Japan, but please be very careful not to cut your fingers. Again, I'm not a professional chef, so I don't aim for the perfection. I just sharpen my knife regularly so it stays in good condition. When you are slicing sashimi or any delicate ingredients, a dull knife just won't cut it. And it is stressful for me and for ingredients too. And if you like the professional help with your knife, I highly recommend Cody Knives in New York. You'll find the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!